Welcome to Signal to Alpha, your essential morning market briefing. I'm Lady Muriel, cutting through the noise to deliver what moves markets today. Let's get you your alpha before the opening bell. Let's start with the big picture. We have critical geopolitical developments out of Venezuela, tariff relief for furniture importers, mixed economic signals with strong GDP, but weak jobs data, and major shifts in the EV market as China's BYD potentially overtakes Tesla. First up, Venezuela. President Nicolás Maduro stated his government is ready to negotiate with the United States on drug trafficking and oil deals, after months of military pressure from the Trump administration. Maduro said Venezuela is open to U.S. oil investment from companies like Chevron, quote, whenever they want it, wherever they want it, and however they want it. Since early September, U.S. forces have killed at least 114 people targeting alleged drug trafficking networks. Trump has ordered a total oil tanker blockade and designated Maduro's regime as a foreign terrorist organization. Watch oil markets for volatility as these negotiations develop. On the tariff front, big relief for home furnishing stocks. President Trump delayed planned tariff increases on imported furniture, kitchen cabinets, and bathroom vanities by 1 full year. The new effective date is January 1st, 2027. This gives companies like Williams-Sonoma breathing room and should ease inflationary pressures on homeowners. Williams-Sonoma shares moved higher in pre-market trading. Now the economic data. Third quarter GDP came in strong at 4.3%, the largest gain in 2 years. But December employment disappointed with only 64,000 jobs added versus consensus expectations. The unemployment rate ticked up to 4.6%. Initial jobless claims for late December came in at 220,000, above the 214,000 forecast. We are seeing divergence between headline growth and labor market softness. That is critical as the Fed weighs its next moves. Over in China, BYD just set a new benchmark. The electric vehicle manufacturer reported 2.25 million battery electric vehicle sales in 2025, up 27% year over year. Total new energy vehicle sales hit 4.6 million units. This positions BYD to potentially surpass Tesla as the world's largest seller of battery-powered vehicles. BYD's Hong Kong-listed shares jumped 3.5%. This is a significant competitive shift in the global EV market. Meanwhile, geopolitical risks are escalating. President Trump warned the U.S. is locked and loaded to intervene if Iran kills protesters as demonstrations enter their 5th day. At least 7 people have been killed in clashes with security forces amid economic collapse. Iran's currency is now trading at roughly 1.4 million reals per US dollar. The nationwide shutdown spans 21 provinces. Finally, here in New York City, newly sworn-in Mayor Mamdani is making waves. The self-described Democratic Socialist signed executive orders reviving the mayor's office to protect tenants and announced the city will intervene in a private bankruptcy case involving 93 properties with over 5,000 open violations. Markets will be watching how aggressive tenant protection policies impact real estate investment trusts and landlord profitability. That's your signal to alpha for today. Subscribe for tomorrow's essential market briefing. Trade smart, stay informed. See you at the opening bell.